Our reading lesson today is laser. These are pictures of lasers. Let's discuss some pre-reading questions. What is laser? A laser is a device that produces a very special kind of light, which is different from the light that comes out of a flashlight. What are the types of lasers? The types of lasers are three: solid-state laser, gas laser, liquid laser. Where are the lasers used in? Lasers are widely used in manufacturing, like for cutting, drilling, marking, micromachining, and also in surgeries, etc. How do you think laser affected our life positively? I think lasers are used around the world and have had a big impact on the way we do things. Lasers have saved lives and they have given sight to people. They can add protection and make people feel safe, and they can also help complete jobs to a high standard. Open page 175 and let's start reading. Laser. What is laser? A laser is a device that produces a very special kind of light, which is different from the light that comes out of a flashlight. The laser light is very intense. It produces a lot of intensity in a beam that is only a millimeter in diameter. Laser light has a certain quality, which is directionality. That is, the light waves coming out of a laser are lined up with each other in a straight line, whereas the ordinary light beams spread in all directions. Another quality laser light has is that it produces only one color. Even in tunable lasers, which can be adjusted to produce several different colors, only one color is emitted at a time. After reading paragraph 1, let's ask, what is laser? A laser is a device that produces a very special kind of light, which is different from the light that comes out of a flashlight. What does a laser produce? A laser produces a lot of intensity in a beam that is only a millimeter in diameter. What's the difference between laser light and bulb light? A laser is lined up with each other in a straight line and it produces only one color, whereas the ordinary light beams spread in all directions. Now let's continue reading. What are lasers good for? In medicine, many surgeries are performed with the help of laser. The most common one is the detached retina, a condition that could lead to blindness. This delicate surgery could be easily performed right in the doctor's office. The laser beam shines through the lens of the patient's eye and is focused on the retina, producing a small lesion that helps hold it to the eyeball. In technology, if you had watched the New Year celebration on the Corniche, you probably might have seen laser flashlights transmitted either to the sky or to your home. Lasers also carry telephone signals in dozens of places around the country. Light from the laser is carried through hair-thin fibers of glass fiber optics, a technology that could ultimately bring a multitude of new communication services into your home. In factories around the world, lasers are now used to drill holes, label automotive parts, and press together heart pacemakers battery parts. Now, after reading, let's ask some questions. What are lasers used in? Lasers are used in medicine, technology, factories, and also in reading and writing. How does the laser help in the eye's surgery? The laser shines through the lens of the patient's eye and is focused on the retina, producing a small lesion that helps hold it to the eyeball. How is the laser carried through? Laser is carried through hair thin fibers of glass fiber optics. How do lasers used in factories? In factories, are used to drill holes, label automotive parts, and press together heart pacemakers battery parts. Here we have some vocabulary words to help you understand more. Device, instrument, beam, ray, flash, emit, discharge, detached, disconnected, multitude, mass, abundance, scanning, inspecting, obstacles, blocks.